Hello friends, I welcome you all in my channel, My Way of Cooking, Healthy and Tasty. My first recipe is a winter special one, Veggie stuffed cheesy bread pakora. It's a perfect recipe for your breakfast, your kids' snack box, evening snack or even as a party snack. So let's get started now. For the stuffing, I have taken half a bowl of boiled and mashed green peas, carrots and sweet potatoes. Half a bowl of cabbage cut into small pieces. Mozzarella cheese. You can also use stick cheese, but then you just have to cut it into small pieces. That's it. A little bit of cilantro cut into small pieces. Maggi masala and a little bit of shah jeera. Now for the pakoras, I have taken half cup of chickpea flour or besan, black pepper powder, this is dry oregano and dry basil, but this is optional, you can just keep it if you don't have it. Salt to taste, cooking oil and sandwich bread. Here I have taken oats bread, but you can take any of the sandwich breads you have. Now we will make the stuffing first. Heat some oil in the pan. Put the shah jeera first. Put the cabbage. Let it be cooked for some time. Put some salt. Put a lid so that it can be cooked fast. Now take out the lid. And then put the other veggies, the boiled and mashed green peas, sweet potato and carrot. Mix it well. Add on the Maggi masala. Now stuffing is almost ready. I'll just switch off the burner. And at this point, sprinkle some cheese. Let it be melted in the stuffing for some time. Now I will make the batter So here I have taken the flour, the chickpea flour or the besan, and I'll just mix up the dry ingredients first. Little bit basil, oregano, some salt, black pepper powder. You can also use chili powder if you wish. Cilantros, mix it with water. See, the consistency will be like this. Before putting the stuffing on the bread, you have to just take a little bit of water on the palm and just apply it on the bread and just roll it so that it can stick to each other properly. Yeah, the stuffing is ready now. See, the cheese got melted in the veggies properly. Now take the stuffing and just spread it nicely on the bread. I'm using the stuffing in the bread pakora, but you can also use the stuffing as a filling in your parathas, and that will taste awesome. The corner nicely. Yeah. Now put another one on the top and just press it like this gently. Okay. Heat oil on the pan again. We will make it a shallow fry. Now take the bread, dip into the batter properly. And fry it. When one portion is done, you have to just flip it over. You can also deep fry it, but shallow frying is much more healthier version. Now the other portion is also done. But one thing is there, these corners tend to stay a little softer in shallow frying. So what you have to do is just use one ladle and one spoon and just like this fry each side just for a few seconds. It's done. I'll just switch off the burner and just take it out from the pan. Now my veggie filled cheesy bread pakora, which is very healthy and tasty, is ready to serve now. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. And if you like my recipe, please share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel.